As a chef, Ben's original sauces are one of them store cupboard classics. I use them all the time at home. I use them even for cold dishes, sometimes when I'm doing a sharing platter or a starter. So I'm going to show you a couple of recipes using Ben's original Mexican salsa. The first one is an awesome roasted chicken and sweet corn quesadilla. Just going to put the chicken on my tray, then I'm going to place that in the oven to roast for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to add the sweet corn just to finishing off. Place chicken in the oven for 10 minutes. So I'm going to dice one red onion, nice and finely. Chop my coriander. Add my mozzarella, the lovely original salsa, Mexican salsa. Let's give that a good mix. I'm going to roast the sweet corn now with the chicken for another 10 minutes. There's the chicken beautifully cooked. Just dice the chicken up. You just want to dice the chicken small and even sizes, just so that when it's in the quesadilla, it's a nice even mouthfeel. So I'm going to put the diced chicken in the bowl now. Get all your sweet corn in. Beautiful roasted sweet corn and all them gorgeous juices. Give this chicken mix a nice stir now. Get it nice and even. All the beautiful sweet corn and chicken, the mozzarella, the coriander, the lovely original salsa, Mexican salsa. Fill my tortillas now, just on 1/2, nice and even. Fold it over, give it a little press. So now I'm going to place these in the oven. I'm going to get them nice and brown. Won't take long, 4 or 5 minutes, till the cheese is nice and melted and they're lovely golden brown. Colour's absolutely gorgeous. Look how beautiful and golden brown they are. Look how melty the cheese is. So first thing I'm going to do is slice some red onion up, nice and finely. Then slice some mushrooms. Put them in the bowl. Just going to slice the pepper. Just going to take the top and tail off. Cut in half, remove any of the pith and white. Use all the pepper, no wastage. Then I'm just going to slice these up. Get them in the bowl. Just going to put some oil in there to fry the vegetables off. Going to go in with the onion. Start to let them soften. They take the longest, that's why I'm putting them in first. Just takes 1 minute. Then I'm going to go in with the peppers and the mushrooms. Gently fry them off. I'm going to go in with some chili, some cumin, and some paprika, some grated garlic. Look at the gorgeous colours. In with the sweet corn, salsa, I'm putting the mix into my bowl. going to fill the warm tacos. I've just had them in the oven for a few minutes. I'm just going to put some lovely filling in, like so. Then we're going to put a lovely little bit of shredded lettuce, some smashed avocado, and finish it with some Ben's original Mexican salsa. So there you have it, 5 ways with Ben's original Mexican salsa. For all recipes, visit the website.